a very good concept of women empowerment, and what I think really is that when talking about women empowerment, one should choose words wisely. In cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, the empowerment has already begun, but there are many places where we need uplifting more than empowering them. And as far as empowerment is concerned, I think that we should believe in equality more. Like, empowerment has already begun. Now we should take the women, men, everybody towards the equality of everything.
Women empowerment, in my opinion, has been a tricky and political abuse subject. From the by it being misquoted and misinterpreted by the likes of Rahul Gandhi during 24 election campaign. But the primary thing that boils down when it comes to the term called empowering a person is to make them, to instill confidence in them. And it can be done by letting them play to their strengths and giving them enough opportunities that they can stand on their feet ultimately. I think if we succeed in enabling a woman, at the grassroots levels of our country to stand on their feet, I think that's going to be the definition of women empowerment.
Celebrating Women's Days might just be a method to educate people that all girls and boys are equal. My personal opinion is that this concept hasn't really reached the bottommost levels of our society, the villages, the tier 2 cities, where people are still bound to that mentality that once a girl turns 21, she has to be married. Everyone who is seeing this, I want them to know that girls and boys are the same. They deserve same education, same lifestyle, same freedoms that all the boys enjoy.
Yeah, what I think is that the progress is being done, okay, and the women are actually taking the leadership role if you look into that big corporates and all the way. But still, most of the areas of India still is not convinced with the power of women, and is still having a lot of issues there, like a lot of crimes are which is being done. So I think in the most of the part, only I think around 10 to 15% of women actually getting into lead roles and
women, which is based on the general concept of aggregating part of the society on a socially invented boundary and then subjugating them. That's like racism or any sort of hate towards any section of society. That's what the principle is. I think all forms of such subjugation are regressive to human development and need to be eliminated through consciousness raising and, if needed, by fiat.
Where the real issue is, nobody knows about it. Like, you can say in rural areas like Bihar or Rajasthan. Okay, so the females there actually don't know that we can live by that standard that men are also living. Okay, so they actually thought themselves of second citizen kind of thing. So, and main problem for that is, I think, education.
About women empowerment, I mean, we come across women in our everyday lives. I mean, our mom, our sisters and all. I mean, yeah, living in Bangalore, in a city like this, it's women are more free to do whatever they like, and it should be in every other part of the country, not just limited to the cities and regions.
Women empowerment should be necessary in India because in small towns and villages there are cases. I found the cases where women, before being born, they are killed in the feticide, and because of the dowry systems, many other cases are. I've also seen that women are being killed because of dowries and all these things. So, depending on all these things, I think women empowerment should be necessary in India.
It is not about how they feel. It's about how society treats them. Basically, if we talk about southern part of India and then we talk about another part of India, which is, I'll say, UP and Delhi and Rajasthan. So I don't think the women over there are more empowered than the women over here. Okay, so the difference comes the way they are been treated, the way society is. You won't find as many as girls going out and doing work, especially if you go out on the side UP or Bihar. But when you come down to Bangalore, you will see that, okay, so many girls, so many women doing the job, earning their money, and living a dependent life. When people from north come down here and they live a dependent life, which was not possible over there.